Run over. Run over. Run over. Do it again. Run over. Good boy. Good boy. Do it again. Run over. Oh, snowy face. Oh, snowy face. Boy. Good boy. What are you two doing? Stick chewers. Okay, let's go. Are you bored? You're being a little bit pestery. Would you like me to give you this toy back? Your chapstick? There. Enjoy.
Around sometimes. Oh, yes, that's how I feel about Siri. Siri, hey, what is sad?
Stand by the warm remembrance of our loved ones that
Oh, there's.
I dropped the little one in front.
Did you? Looks like there's a little bit of a situation here. Uh-oh. We should make one of those Christmas videos just of this thing, just idling, smoking away. Like one of those.
great for the environment.
That would make